It's my favorites ka favorite. It's literally at the top and then everything else. That's how much I am obsessed. Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I've done that intro because it's actually been that long since I've done a sit down video. All of you love my vlogs and I also enjoy making vlogs, but I think once in a while these sit down chats are fun. I'm gonna take it back to OG YouTube days and just share all my current obsessions, my current favorites. And to be honest, this video was long overdue because ever since I've come to the US, which was 3 years ago, I haven't shared a single favorites video, which should be a crime at this point considering how many new things, products, services I've been introduced to and obsessed with. You will find all the links in the description box, so make sure you check them out. Now enough talking, let's move on to my first favorite. Let's talk about my favorite hair tool right now, the Dyson Airstraight. I got it in this copper color. For someone like me who just despises styling hair, I just like straightening my hair using the Dyson Airstraight. Let me tell you why I prefer this Airstraight over a regular hair straightener. Number one, it gives me, of course, a beautiful result of just straightened hair, and it actually does that through blowing air and not a flat iron. It literally blows air through these ducts in this particular direction. So yeah, results are always slaying. Number two, it doubles as a blow dryer as well. When I just clamp it shut, I can use it as a regular blow dryer, especially when traveling. It's literally a 2-in-1 tool. I've stopped using my Dyson blow dryer because I just have both of those things in this one tool. So it's perfect for just drying out my hair and then moving on with the straightening. It also has a wet and dry option. So if your hair is wet, you can use the wet option. If your hair is dry, you can use the dry option. I prefer using the wet option. So right after I finish my shower, I will use this hair tool. Another great thing about this is it's actually quite versatile. Even though it's meant for just straightening your hair, that's what I usually do. I've actually done a blowout look as well with it. I still need a bit of practice with that, which is why I'm just lazy and I go for the straightened look. But I love how the blowout looks with this, and just the ease of using this is what made me choose Dyson Airstraight over the Airwrap, because I've heard the Airwrap has a bit of a learning curve. Ever since I started using this, my hair fall has reduced like crazy. It does not damage my hair, or well, it's very minimal that I have not noticed it over a course of the last 8 months ever since I purchased this. Like, my hair fall has significantly reduced to the most minimal amount possible. So that basically sealed it for me. I am a forever Dyson Airstraight stan, and I'm sure you guys will love it too if you just want a nice straightened look with least amount of damage possible and also quite flexible to get that blowout look, and use it as a blow dry as well. So it's a win-win for me. Next up is my favorite Hydro Jug tumbler. I have multiple tumblers from different brands. Hydro Jug by far is my favorite. I've gotten it in this cute little cherry print, if you can see, and this is the 20 fluid ounce size, so it's just perfect for like everyday use at home. There's no straw popping out and that's not going to get dirty. You just have to flip it open like this. Now for the best part, this is completely leak proof. You can hear the water. Yeah, that just makes it easy for me to pick it up, drop it in my handbag and go out, just knowing that it's not going to leak at all. That itself, 10 on 10. It's dishwasher safe. It keeps your water cold, hot, beautiful, cute design, has many options, different sizes. So yeah, I'm a hardcore Hydro Jug stan. My favorite sunscreen is the Dot & Key tinted sunscreen. It has SPF 50. I'm in the shade 03 Sand. This unfortunately is not available in the US. I do ask my family or any of my relatives traveling from India to the US to buy 3-4 of these for me and come, because that's how much I love it. I always wear it like as a base. It's part of my skincare routine. I wake up, finish my skincare with this. So in all my cozy morning reading session videos, I am usually wearing this, which is why my skin looks like my skin, but it also looks flawless because, well, I have the tinted sunscreen on. So no, that's not my natural skin. It's with the tinted sunscreen, just so that you all know. Perhaps my 5th bottle. I have 3 more to go. I've already asked my in-laws to get some more when they come to the US. So you know the obsession is real. 1000% recommend. Protects your skin. It's not oily. I do prefer applying this with a foundation brush than like with my hands. Can't rave about this product enough. But also, having said that, do comment down below if you have any other alternatives that are also available in the US. In case I do run out of them, I can try out some of the tinted sunscreens in the US. Another product is this L'Oreal Hyaluron Lip Oil. As you can see, I'm almost done with this. It's right at the bottom. I've repurchased this multiple times, and don't get scared looking at the blue color. It's not gonna look blue on my lip. It's a tinted lip oil, as you can see the color. So instead of using a lip balm in the morning, I use this lip oil because it also gives me that extra hydration and glossy look to my lip, and has that natural pink tint. In my cozy reading session videos, if you watched my YouTube shorts or my Instagram reels, I'm usually wearing this and I keep getting asked in the comments what is on my lips. It's basically this gorgeous product. They also have different colors, but I've only tried this. It also has this cooling effect on my lips, which I love. This is literally, again, part of my everyday skincare routine. Talking about another beauty favorite, it's the NYX Glue Brow Gel. This is what I'm wearing right now. I love how it just brushes out my hair in whichever direction I choose. It just gives your brows that nice lifted look and actually stays there for a long time. I have bought the clear version of this, which I did not like at all because it would make my brows look white and flaky, which was so disgusting. But this one is the dark brown shade, so it's tinted, so it gives that natural brow color and perfect for, I would say, Indian hair type generally. So affordable. Have repurchased this multiple times. My next favorite is this heating pad from Amazon. It is simple, does what it says, has all these beautiful options for how hot you want your heating pad to be. Again, if you watched my cozy reading session videos, I've gotten some questions of what this is because I keep doing this clicking thing in that video. Well, that's just adjusting the temperature of the heating pad, and this is just my ride or die. I use it not just when I do get period cramps, which of course it's perfect for that, but also when my muscles are sore after workout or dance, for just generally sitting on the couch. It's permanently plastered on my couch against a cushion because that's how much I love this, and it just makes life better. So yeah, if you haven't experienced a beautiful heating pad like this, please do yourself a favor and buy one right now, and you will know why I am gushing about such a basic, simple product. It needs to be part of your daily routine. Next, we have my beautiful Kindle. I'm reading the deal, so you can see that as the cover. Bought this, I would say 2 years ago, if I'm not wrong. I had like one of the oldest Kindles before this one, and I knew it was time for an upgrade when I started getting back into reading. So yeah, this is the Kindle Paperwhite. I got the 16 GB version just so that it can hold more books. The color is agave green. I know they have come out with the latest Kindle Paperwhite, so the old version you can only buy the used one. I would probably upgrade it later with the color soft because I would love to see this book cover and all the book covers in color as well as the highlights. So yeah, if you haven't experienced a Kindle before or wanting to get back into reading but just don't know where to start with a Kindle. Buy a used one if you have to. I think it's all the same at the end of the day. Trust me, you will find yourself gravitating towards picking your Kindle and reading because it's just so convenient. Literally at night, this is what I use. Like, I can't be bothered with like a physical book, especially if it's like those big fat books. This is just so convenient to hold, to move around, to put in my handbag. The charge lasts for days, if not months. It doesn't strain my eyes at all. You can adjust the brightness of the screen. You can change the font size. It is so versatile and just an absolute joy to have in my life. So I had to share my Kindle Paperwhite, of course. The next thing I want to share is something so huge that I cannot show it to you right now, but I will take a video and show it to you. It's my beloved walking pad. If I could convince someone to buy anything from this list, it's going to be a walking pad. I have gotten so many of my loved ones onto the walking pad game because it is actually life-changing. All my weight loss, fat loss, fitness can be directly linked back to the walking pad. I am not exaggerating when I'm saying that. It's my favorites ka favorite. It's literally at the top and then everything else. That's how much I am obsessed with my walking pad. It's definitely made me a person who just gets her steps in because of the walking pad. Having an access to a walking pad from the comfort of your home, wearing freaking PJs and jumping on top of it, game changer. The one I have has a handle on top so I can keep like an iPad or my phone on top or even a book, my Kindle. I actually bought a cup holder mount just so that I can keep my coffee or water bottle in it. So highly recommend that as well. The walking pad handle can also lay flat. You can push it under your bed, your couch, whatever. Also for my Indian Meg fam, I do have a walking pad recommendation because I literally gifted this to my friend as a wedding gift because that's how much I want everyone to use a walking pad and see the benefits of it. If I had the money, I would gift all my loved ones a walking pad. That's how much of a ride or die I am for my walking pad. So my friend back in India, the one I got her was the Cult Fit walking pad. She uses it every day. She loves it. So I will link that as well in the description box in case you are looking for a walking pad that's available in India and is actually good. See how it can fit in your lifestyle and how you can just include more movement in your life if you don't have the time to just change, go out and get your walk in. Sometimes even the environment stops us from walking outside, right? Of course, walking out has its own benefits, but if it's too hot, if it's raining outside, if the road conditions are not good, if the area is not safe, walking pad, that's our answer here. If you have the money, the space for it, please invest in a walking pad. It's literally an investment. It's going to stay with you for years. Last favorite from this video, it goes hand in hand with the walking pad, and that's my Skechers slip-in shoes. My My mom bought a Skechers slip-in back in India and she loved it so much. I tried hers, I got immediately convinced and I went and bought myself a Skechers slip-in. Now the reason why I am suggesting a slip-in, especially the Skechers one, because it's freaking so comfortable, beautiful quality, and gives you that lace look without having to tie laces. Now the reason why I recommend this slip-in is because I used to walk with my ghar ka chappal on the walking pad. Would not recommend unless it's like once or twice. If you don't have your shoes around, that's fine. But if you're doing it as part of your 75 hard journey, which I did back in 2024, created a lot of like knee pain, shin pain, leg pain because I was walking pretty fast every single day wearing chappal. Yeah, don't please get influenced by me. Just don't do that. But do get influenced and get yourself a slip-in shoes, because I was trying to figure out what is that friction point that was stopping me from just wearing shoes and getting on the walking pad. And I realized it's the lace aspect. Like I just hate wearing socks and then lacing up my shoes. I did end up doing that for a while because the leg pain was bad. So I started just wearing my regular sneakers. But when my mom recommended slip-ins for me, I was like, wait, this is going to solve my problem. Now what happens is, let's say I'm washing dishes in the kitchen. My walking pad is right there. My shoe is always kept on my walking pad. I literally get on the walking pad, slip my feet into the shoes, start walking. Like how seamless is that? So because of that lack of friction, I tend to just get on my walking pad a lot more than with regular shoes. It's been a game changer for me. So yeah, these are some of my absolute favorites. Obsessed with these things. I'm sure you guys can see by my energy in this video. Like I can't stop gushing about each and every one of these things that I've shared today. I have linked everything in the description box. Let me know if you want a part 2 for it, because I was making a list for myself and I realized, wow, I could go on and on, because like I said, I haven't shared a favorites video in a long time. So I have a lot of things that I feel you guys might absolutely love the way I love them. Let me know, comment down below, like and hype this video. Also, if you've stayed till here, leave this emoji in the comment section below. I just want to see how many of you all are actually staying till the very end of this video, and it might be a spoiler for a surprise in the next video. I don't think you guys are ready for it. You guys are not ready for my next vlog. Okay, I'm so excited. Meena, calm down. Trust me, you guys want to stick around for the next vlog. Love you all so much. Have a beautiful day, week ahead. I will see you next week. Bye. What's up, everyone? It's been so long since I've done a sit-on video. Sit down. What's up, everyone? It's been so long since I've done a sit-down with the... Wow.